So the independence is a very good thing. It's the best system we have at the moment here in Australia, and we get to see how it unfolds.
What is it, do you think, about, and this is more broad than obviously just this specific investigation, but what do you think it is about sport in particular that we're seeing more and more of these cases arise? And you look at sort of the National Women's Soccer League, the Courage coaching Paul Riley, the allegations of sexual misconduct against him, and he stood down during the week. We've had obviously the Larry Nassar incident with the US gymnastics team. Is this something that you think we'll see more and more of?
I think we'll see more and more of it, but I think we need to keep it in context. You know, many of these examples that are coming out are of an historic nature. They happen in the past. There are a lot more checks and balances that have been put into sport. Clearly not enough, and there will be current instances, of course, but sports are much more aware of this. Obviously, the athletes has grown significantly in the past 20 years. If you're talking matters of sexual assault and that type of predatory behaviour, it takes many years for people to feel that comfortable to talk about something and talk about it. So I think we need to be aware that while many more of these cases are being discussed openly now and being brought into the public domain, we can't lose sight of the fact that it doesn't mean sport is at any worse position than any other sector in society. Because we know that predatory behaviour occurs everywhere. We know that there are criminal elements, there are people...
It's still open, we just have to play in the cars. Oh, really? Hey! 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 Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Gonna maybe check your mirror before you do that?
What the fuck is happening here? I've had enough of this.
The duct tape over her mouth or whatever. Now...
Black sparks exploded above their heads as they dropped clear of the catwalk. Schofield and Gant fell. The Maghook's cable splayed out above them. They
What a wanker!
past Riley in Hollywood, who spun around.
Time shipwreck we have, or at least we know of. Most likely.
People with vaginas have something similar.
Out now. Follow. Hi.
Fuck you.
Peer-reviewed and like figure all this stuff out. Just do a little plunger pull. That's easy. That's a very easy thing to get out there.
Manual recording on.
Yeah, I hope that happens.
Right, and if that can change the prevalence of these very rare cases,
moron.
it's still going to be a massive result. It's really helpful to people.
Well, if you have the idea, why not make us some loose radio for your drive home with Malloy on Triple M. Right now, you can land yourself a free Makita brushless blower.
Yep, go.
Well, if Some loose radio for your drive home with Malloy on Triple M. Right now, you can land yourself a free Makita brushless blower.
Yep, go straight ahead from the left-hand only turn line.
18-volt times 2 brushless lawnmower kit. Hurry, limited time only. Offer via online redemption. Visit Makita.
We'll just go in the bloody exit. You stupid moron. Bloody people down here are like Queenslanders. Oh, I thought she was going out the entrance then. Jesus.
Phone.
60s at 6. Friday nights from 6. Doing you out of here on the 3.7.
You idiot. One for the dash cam.
All right, man. Scotty's dash cams.
Lock file.
And that was final. The arrest was scheduled to happen in Ross's apartment with the help of the SWAT team the following day, October 2nd.
Smell something funny. Oh my god, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week!
Got you on camera. Got you on camera. JC9 34G. 2 cameras, mate.
Yep, smart move, dumbass.